yes Stonebwoy de wo pie se yesika de eya wo Tvgh pa ankrofo ebufa so ne ade yes Stonebwoy epie mu wo ogrante interview na incommode die ne ebisa ne se aya omo na mwasika na omo tutugu no omo fele sen ana Stonebwoy enum nsem ne bi ne se wo bi nam na se obi tikam na se celebrate bi etikam na se wo tutu sika ebi mu ye bato no de office oyesa na enkyere wo buo ntina wono de wo mpese wo be yesa de ni bi nanso akoyesa wonnam na se nipa nyina wo se wotwem na se wanyi scan bia na akoyesa wo de won sachi edin ntina ya na otutu tu scan da eskato na chie no aye wo mo te se enipa ni bi prepra na wo beto 5 cedis sika ade ama nipa na wantumi anchi na wakopi hospital na wa say sika be ye 500 million as 5 million no aya na ha ne panenso nkofo be ka say wo ye stingy enunti na ya oye binanka wono de obesi ni bo aka say sika tutuo na aya tutu abontensa no enye na akoye sa asemwe aya say kutie bi eye nim ne bra Stonebwoy Shatta Wale ebe so asemwe na chese Stonebwoy kasa etia no because ono Shatta so na wo hyase etutu sika de manipa prepare na wono so abesom asobi fuima anoa de Shatta enso de adapado so pu de abre Stonebwoy mayentimbra.
That why God no give some of you money. God no go make some of you the way you won't be, because in Kwasia Senate or so Ghana to the extent that people just they sit down then they create some idea. That be how come boys they bet. Oh, betting they go on for boys they bet. One stupid man with some girl go they rub his stomach. Wait, hey, do you know that have you heard of this boy? Yes, he's been doing betting. Yes. Last time he even win 5 million Ghana cedi. Hey, now the system say, oh no, so now betting they for take tax. So now betting every day they won't find something to just kill on a future, make we know even make them. Because in this Ghana, if you for make them for your old man, if somebody forget money, the person will be old man. You know, young boy for no get money for these countries I got. When you get money, you know, the system will try pass some way and just try attack you, bro. We invest the system. With the system, we mean the system. We understand want to. Because the system no one make get to you survive. Asia, what the system they do for you? Go, drive around Accra, just check. Plenty everywhere be dark country. Because street lights, they don't know if you do for street lights, common street light. We Ghana just for bright. You know if you do one for Ghana, yes. When man they do things to also support the people, not even a foolish system where they create for this countryside. Then people they create some ideology and bro, we go sit here like this gangster like this. Go tell you people want a fucking problem. Go tell you want a fucking things we want tell you. Nobody go fit do it say. But see, I didn't make I can't talk say what pastors they do before they will come write something about that one. System no fit give man a college. Say Charlie Shatta, system it worry for this. Because see how many things we are bring come the system way, a change come the music industry way. People know the fear appreciate. Foolish people. And when we sit down there, you go hear some nonsense radio presenter. Then it sit there. Then it talk. I go say about Jimmy me catch you. Only Jimmy me catch you. Despite the ones are there. But nobody will fear despite. No, despite not be God. But nobody for this country be God. When nobody go fit to show anybody anything. Everybody in mother cry. Go sit radio talk, they talk, and Asimesi they throw money. And Stonebwoy, he don't do. What brainwashing me that? For what? Kwasai, when people go wedding, where they throw money for people that matter for wedding, there no be disrespect. When you do wedding, we put the throw money for the couples that matter. That one no be disrespect. All of you, your mother. Well, you those peace FM, those people where are they talk every time where despite no if you get sense and tell them say no, yo bro, like what you guys are doing is stupid. Stop it. Nobody defeat advise anybody. But you find some ideology, some way to just brainwash people. But man, Charlie, the days of slavery is past. We can't be enslaved. Me, I'm not be nobody's slave for a year. Everybody in murder. If me I get money where they give my fans, do you know what I'm seeing in the system? Do you know how many school fees man they pay? Do you know how many people man they help with rent? Do you know how many hospital bills man they pay? Do you know how many things man they do for this country inside? The same people where they come and show, where they give me money, where they make at the full say, yeah, oh no, we they respect you, we they like what you do, so we they support. That be the same people I they give money to. Make her wake up and go work. What say you president wake up, come your husband and give you money? A boy. President wake up, we can give everybody money for house. What's yeah? When people they do wedding, when people they throw money for the wedding couples, that one no be disrespect. What's yeah? What's yeah for? You just fool for this country. I don't know what go change. That's why the politicians have they say people you fool, you be foolish people. They want to write something, then you go see some stupid people. They can write some stupid statements and this. I'm like, say this, bro. How can you make it? The one you see that then the only idea where you come is like, me them person to kwa buchi. But masa uko buchi obe bre, u ideology no mentality no. Who the kwa buchi obe bre? What the fuck? You feel that this time will be the work for me and you. Like who go throw money? My fans, where did they give me money? My fans, where did they come my show, come buy tickets? If they yes, they do program for Sunyani, Kumasi, they buy tickets. Them send them my parents. You feel say the full way they go come buy Shatta Wale ticket, come Shatta Wale show. I feel say the full way they go feed the Shatta will take some momo. Or Shatta will do this. Then when you get down, where they throw money for people on great ideology say people go here to evil people, devilish people. See, my fans they hurt every time they like them. They no can complain to people. If so, Nana Pia they do men's code, Nana Pia they do this men's code. No Ghanaian citizen ever talk about say Nana Pia they cheat them. So stupid, foolish old men where they just wake up and say, I go where they know and say stop and TM the best stop. People go fish stop it. But I mean, here they talk to this country. If somebody do 50 years, we go die. It go be blood and blood. It go be blood and blood. I tell you something. Hey. Ain't nobody see like that. What are we talking about here? Somebody they throw money for infants. Infants no they complain. Somebody they give money to infants. Infants no they complain. You people just want to find way and find problem for Shatta Wale make the whole thing look like you just won't find way. Bro, your artist can never be like me. For this whole Ghana here, anybody who will try throw money with me, Massa, a combat deal. Because you know they like Shatta Wale. You don't know why I throw money. So if you want throw money, a combat deal. Stop the throw money if it is not your thing. This is what I've been talking about. Anything I do, at least go fit copy them. They copy them. They don't even ask how or why they do that.
I don't equity a bien new brand talk away. I know the message update be attention TV4 at the Bebre Queen Tran and Navy Majam Naso Besmo Accra.